Yes, this is a follow-up video. I forgot to put, Robert Coughlin is trying to schedule me an administrative hearing. Here's the thing, I'm retired. I'm not an employee. I don't go to administrative hearings. If I was living in Florida, would I have to come to an administrative hearing? I mean, that's kind of a bad example, but administrative hearings are only for employees. I'm not an employee. I'm glad to say I've been retired for 11 years. As I said earlier, it's my pension. Now, he's putting this in here because I had this hearing over 2 years ago before not an impartial hearing officer who was a retired judge who's being paid by them, and the another pension attorney named Danielle Hines, who basically hardly said anything. He submitted as evidence this paper here. Not specifically this paper, but a paper looking just like it. This one I showed you before. An income withholding order from a child support enforcement agency with no judicial signature. So that was all the evidence they submitted why they were sending my property to the child support enforcement. When I have a judgment for divorce that states it's waived along with my retirement benefits. But what happens is all of these state agencies within the executive branch of government are cooperating with each other. So New York State can receive millions upon millions of dollars. And that pays that pays judges' pensions and salaries and benefits along with the all the state employees. Now, what I have here, this is very important that you see this. This piece of paper is from the Queens County Clerk's Office, dated February 1st, 2016, and it's for a judge docket, which basically is money judgments, and a lien book showing if there's any liens against me. Okay, here's my name or corporation, Richard Warman, not on file. So that means there's nothing on file in the Queens Clerk's Office that I owe anybody any money. And this income withholding order is alleging that I owe $11,000 in arrears, as I explained last time. The criminal Sudeep Kaur, who's nothing more than a criminal impersonator of a judge, retroactively increased my child support. And then she sends it to the knuckleheads in the retirement system, a guy like Bob Coughlin. When you look at his signature there, it looks like he just got out of junior high school, who's a career pension attorney. Okay, what does that tell you? That tells you that he didn't set his standards too high. I mean, listen, I was only a police officer, but I help people for a living. I didn't go to law school so I can get a job working in the pension system and help destroy people's lives. Anyway, just want everybody to know that, look, this is all the money that was sent. New York State, New York State, New York State, New York State. All right? New York State, 3675, 3675, 3675, 3675. Okay, this has been going on for a long time. And look, $127,000 has been stolen from me. Okay? And what they do is they use the code employee income execution order, which is not true. It's an income withholding order, which is an administrative order, as I keep saying. So it's nothing but a scam to pay New York State. And then they get guys with no soul like Bob Coughlin, who won't even get on the phone with me because he's scared. He's scared. Okay, the retirement system Hearing Administration Bureau will provide you with a notice. I had a hearing over 2 years ago. I went in there, and quite frankly, I beat Danielle Hines' rear end because he sounded like a moron. He didn't know what he was doing. And they